RZR XP 1000 wide open.
Chris is going to take his turn to the old top speed run. I was just in about 78 before I let off. Got a little sketchy coming on this rocky road. Here he comes. Just don't have a lot of time to stop at the other end.
One last pass, full throttle, with our 2023 RZR XP 1000. Trying to get top speed.
We just got back from doing the top speed run videos in our 2023 Polaris RZR XP 1000. We were consistently hitting 78, 79 miles an hour. One time on the asphalt it showed 80. On the GPS on the phone it was showing about 1 mile per hour slower than what it was showing on the speedometer on the RZR, but it sure gets up and goes. We'd put the stock tires back on for these videos, so it'd be all stock, and we're impressed how it did on that loose rock on the hard packed road. It still felt planted. Thanks for watching.